Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore EV Wi-Fi pairing with Android Auto EV screen step by step clearly. To restore EV Wi-Fi pairing with Android Auto EV screens, begin by ensuring your vehicle is in the on position. Locate your vehicle's Wi-Fi settings through the main menu. Open your Android device and navigate to Settings. Tap on Network and Internet, then select Wi-Fi. Make sure scan for available networks. Find and select your EV's Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the password if prompted, which is typically found in the vehicle's user manual or settings. Once connected, return to the main menu on your vehicle screen. Find and select the Android Auto option. Allow for any on-screen prompts, ensuring your phone is also ready for pairing. On your phone, open the Android Auto app if prompted. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the connection. If necessary, restart both the phone and the vehicle's system. After restarting, attempt to connect again by selecting the Android Auto option on your EV screen. Check for updates for both your Android device and the Android Auto app if the connection fails. Once connected, you should see the Android Auto interface displayed on your EV screens. Test the connection by using voice commands or accessing apps to ensure functionality. If issues persist, consult your vehicle's support or user manual for further troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.